Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm gonna show you how you can turn on and off the vibration on your Motorola Moto G23. For that you want to go to your settings and then go to sound and vibration, and here you have some settings you can set in general: media volume, call volume, ring volume, notification, alarm volume. And when we scroll down we have vibration and haptics here, and here it says use vibration and haptics. You can disable this and then all of this is disabled automatically, but I'm gonna go ahead and enable it to show you the options you have. So you can enable and disable the ring vibration, so when you get a call that it not only makes a sound but also vibrate first and then ring gradually. You can turn that on and off as well. You have the notification vibration, so if you get a notification it vibrates. Alarm vibration, so same, if your alarm goes off it will vibrate. And then we also have the touch feedback and the media vibration. That's something you can turn off because that's normally something that drains your battery a bit. When every time you touch it, it vibrates. I think it's just logic that this will drain your battery. And then you can turn on and off these as well. This notification and calls, maybe you want that on because your ringtone is off and it just vibrates, or you want both off, whatever it is. So you can turn on and off the vibration here. So yeah, so that's all about how to turn on and off the vibration on your Motorola Moto G23. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.